What's this?
This is the girls' room.
Are we allowed to go inside? Hello, girls' room. Who? I know Poy.
Hindi yung kama ni Poy. Kama yan ni Bonnie.
Bonnie.
Tapos wala na siya.
Who's there?
The Arnie.
The Arnie.
Chris.
Chris. Poy.
Poy.
No.
Ayan. Si Lizelle.
One.
This is our weird sofa.
Carry me.
This is Bravia. This is Big Bravia.
Where does it go at? Wow. Kuya!
Sampayan.
Zampaya, where's yours? Who makes laba?
Wow.
Who makes laba?
And the pool, and then the rocks, you know.
Don't you dare.
Don't I dare.
So, what do you do in your
There's the
pastime?
goggles, jacuzzi.
Do you use it?
Mga labahan na hindi na akin. Magpapalaba ako. Ay, chocolate. Wala natin si Daddy. Nag-a-alone na siya. Alone moment.
Ano na, sayan. She has no flags, though.
She has no...
Ganyan ka daw. Hoy, ang laki!
Uy, akin yan.
Parang lang green gabi.
Ha? Sino sabi? Sino sabi?
Oo, kaya nakapon niya.
Ang ganda niya sa labas si Direk Joey. Ano oras kayo dumating? Sino? Si Van?
Yan.
Who's the cancer?
Yan.
He's the cancer survivor.
She's the cancer. She's a Messiah boy. America. Yeah. Want to see the scar?
What did they do?
They had to slice this open to take out the tumor. And they completely took out my thyroid. Where they stretched my vocal cords like that wide. Are you dark like your brother?
Dark.
Yeah, this guy's dark.
What do you mean?
Emo.
You know you're dark. Yeah, no, he's not really emo. He's more...
No, I'm not.
No? Oh, this is so good. Look at me.
Papa. I dare you to play Twister with
Okay.
with Kuya.
Twister.
I bet you can play Twister, Dad.
No, that's his.
Huh?
That's it.
We only played that once.
Can I look at it?
Alin?
Your folder.
I'll see if he's
Yeah, let's see if you're studying.
Oo nga eh. Oh.
Sarap!
Can you see this? Can I see?
Tagal na kayo.
Walang ano yan.
Here's another goodbye song.
A goodbye song. Huwag mo na anahin yan. Yung calendar yan. Personal calendar, personal notes. Sa mga nakatanggal. It's gray. Bottom 2, bottom 4, bottom 3, bottom 4, bottom 2.
Where's Giselle? Giselle?
Daddy, bagong phone. Bagong phone.
He's blind.
This one has large font.
Goodbye song.
Patala mo yan.
Kasi hello. Mr.
Ay, may bibigay pala ako dati sa yung sapatos. Kasi, tinan mo siya. Kasi tignan mo na lang kung bakit kailangan ibigay.
Ito din.
Ito, kasi mukha siyang golf.